Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix paper jam on Canon i-SENSYS LBP673Cdw. First, remove the paper from the paper tray and press the button on the side of the printer to open this lid and completely extend it. And now just pull the cartridge slot towards yourself and look for the jam paper over there. If you can't reach with your hands, you can use tweezers, but I don't recommend you to use sharp tools like knives, pins, awls, and so on. So remove the paper jam from this side if it's possible. Next, put the cartridges back, close this lid, and completely close multi-purpose tray, and remove the paper drawer and look for the jammed paper here. Maybe it was jammed on this step. Once you removed or not removed the paper, close the drawer and now turn the printer so that the back side faces you, like this. And then grab this handle and open this lid and look for jammed paper over here. So try to remove all the paper, but if it really stuck, it's better to go with this printer to the service center. Don't apply too much force because these details in the printer are very flimsy, so you can damage it. Once you remove the paper, just close this lid back like this until it clicks. And now you can face the front side of your printer. Insert the paper once again. Like this. And it's ready to print. If you still see a paper jam message on your display, try to restart your printer. To do this, just press the power button to power it off and press and hold like this. Now it will be powered off. The display will turn off soon after about 5 seconds. And then just turn your printer back again. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.